Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify any certificates in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So simply all you need to do is just to log in into your Trailhead account. And basically from here, you will need just to go to trailhead.salesforce.com. And this is kind of a learning platform of Salesforce. And from here, you will be able to verify credentials or to verify any certificates. So as you can see here, we have two nav bars and we are interested in the second one. And from here we will find the credentials. So from here you can start taking your certification. If we go, we can find all the certification available in Salesforce, or you can simply go to verify certifications. So as you can see, now we need just to click on verify certification, and as you can see, you will need just to check the holder's certification by adding the web assessor email. Basically, web assessor is the platform where you pass your certification on. We can just go to web assessor, and basically it will be something similar to this. And whenever you have your account, that means that you passed your certification. So you will need just to get the web assessor email of the holder, and you add it, and then you will need just to click on request. Or you can start verify a Salesforce certified professional. We can add any email or a full name. So I'm just going to add my email, and I'm checking this I'm not a robot, and we see if there is something for Salesforce certified professional. And basically there is none. And all you need to do is to start just adding the web assessor email. You click on request and you follow any other prompting that would appear, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.